Okay, now we're going to talk about task management. As you can see, this is the dashlet for task management. If I wanted to, I could just drag this up to the top, put that at the top. Again, from my desktop, I've got a lot of control. I can move my calendar over here on the right. All different flexibility. But we're going to talk specifically about managing tasks or projects. I'm logged in as John Leader. You can see down here, these are the tasks that I have assigned, and these are the tasks that are assigned to me. Okay, but I don't have any because I'm the manager. I've assigned 2 tasks right here. Subject quoting XYZ company, a V-filer quote, and I've also assigned a task for one of my sales reps to quote ABC company, the High Point quote with some installation. Okay. Now I can get to task management, the Gantt chart, if you will, in a couple ways. I could click the resources, go right down to action items, okay, or I can just click the task management title on the dashlet. It's going to take me right to the Gantt chart, so I can look at it in a Gantt chart format. Okay, can also look down here as a list, current tasks. There's a reference to them. We'll talk about editing these in a moment and how to create new ones. I'm just showing you just a glance of how you can keep track of different tasks. Okay. Now up here, if I wanted to add a new task, okay, I can click this Add New. I can also do it from my dashboard or the dashlet called My Desktop. I'm going to assign this a due date of, we'll say next Wednesday. I'm going to give this a reference. We'll call it Magna V-filer quote. It's going to be a medium priority because it's got a few days to get done. And we'll give it a subject, Magna V-filer quote with, if I can spell here, remote support. And some more detail here. Quote V-filer with 5-hour block of remote support. And down here is where, who you choose, who it's assigned by and who it's to. Obviously, I'm going to leave this assigned by myself, John Leader, but I'm going to give this to Beth Sales Pro. I'm going to send an email notification to let her know that it's been assigned to her, and I'm also going to send myself one just to keep track, okay, through email. I'm also going to keep track of it inside High Point. Hit save. This is now going to go on my desktop and also in the resources under task management. So you can see now that I've got 3 tasks that I've assigned to different people, and down here's a list, so I can look at them in 2 different ways, in a list view or in a Gantt chart view. I can actually hover over these and it'll take me right to that task. Okay, I can also see the percentage that they're completed. Okay, pretty slick. Now I can also change my filter here by clicking search. So if I click search, I can search for information that's in the reference or subject line. If I want to look for a quote from ABC or XYZ or Magna, I could do that. But also I could say, show me all the tasks that I've got assigned to Beth Sales Pro. I just hit search. And it's only going to show me now the tasks that I have assigned to Beth, and it's not going to mix it up with old Bill Goofoff. Okay? The same thing down here. List view, Gantt chart view. Very, very nice. Okay? If I go back to the desktop, you'll see all of those tasks that I've got assigned very quickly and easily right from my desktop. So if you have any questions about creating tasks, I would encourage you to dive into the High Point Live and play around with it a little bit. Experiment with this. Kick the tires, so to speak. So this concludes our brief introduction to task management.